The decarbonization challenge is a big one. Extremely hard to abate CO2. But it's a must. This is not an option. In Repsol, the approach that we have to reach that goal of reaching net zero emissions is to offer our customers a whole bunch of different solutions. For example, renewable fuels. This is something that is right now available at our sites. Right now, it is available in more than 60 sites, but we are extremely committed to give our customers this solution that at the end of this year, we will have more than 600 sites where a customer can buy renewable fuels. The main advantage of renewable fuels is that you don't have to substitute your current engine, for example, of your car. It is fully compatible with the current engine that we have, and you don't need to change anything in the different infrastructure in terms of logistics. But renewable fuels, it is not the only solutions in which we are working on. The second main solution that we are offering to our customers, apart from the renewable fuels, is the electric mobility. We are deploying a big network for public assets. Right now, for example, we've got more than 1,700 points of recharge, but it is true that there are several things pending, yeah? Especially in this electric mobility area. For example, right now, approximately between 60 and 70% of these points of recharge are installed. That is something we have installed 15 months ago, but they are not working right now because there is something pending, yeah? Maybe we are waiting to receive an administrative okay, and this is extremely difficult for us to cope with that. What we need to have a faster development on this electric mobility network is that all the paperwork and administrative process must be speed up in a huge way. It is not possible, for example, that right here in Valencia, we have a point of recharge that we installed more than 29 months ago, and it is not available, yeah? So, decarbonize is a must, it's urgent, it is not an option, it's a must, but the companies must have reliable and stable, simply legal framework to avoid all these lags, all this period without being working on this point of recharge. The commitment of Repsol in decarbonize is extremely high. In December 2019, we were the very first oil company to fix a net zero goal. And we have been working really hard from 2019 till now to reach that goal. And I can give you some examples. For example, in the coming weeks, we will be opening a completely new facility in the south of Spain, in Cartagena. We will be opening renewable fuel site production, in which we will be able to produce more than 250,000 tons of renewable fuel for road transport, HVO, or for sustainable aviation fuel. This investment is quite big. It's more than 200 million euros. But this is not the only project in which we have been working on. For example, in next year, in 2025, we will be opening also a new facility, in this case in Puerto Llano, in Ciudad Real, relatively close to Madrid, in which we will be producing also sustainable fuel for road transport. In this case, the facility accounts to more than 150 million euros. Yeah? And not only, I mean, just to give you a third example, also next year, at the end of the next year, we will be producing in Bilbao, in the north of Spain, in this case, sustainable fuels, but using a different technology. In this case, the feedstock in Bilbao will be directly capture CO2 from the atmosphere and then splitting the molecule of water using renewable electricity just to be able to compound the molecule and to get a synthetic product. Yeah? In this case, this facility, also the investment, the level of investment in a pilot scale, because this is a pilot site, is more than 100 million euros.